discussing about the return objects from a method. So what is returning objects? In Java, a method can return any type of data including objects. A method can return any type of data including class types that you create. So these are the returning objects. So method is returning the reference of the object. When we are writing the following code, just like class name objects reference is equals to object1.getObject. In this above example, the called method getObject of object1 object is returning the reference of the newly created object. So, obj2 is getting the reference of the newly created object. Let's see the code how we can return the objects from a method. Of returning object. For returning object, we just make a class object return demo, and inside this class we initialize a variable that is int a, that is instance variable, and then we may create a constructor that is object return demo, and inside the constructor we assign the value of a with I. And again we use a method that is increment by 10 and which have returned value that is of class type object return demo similar to class type, and then we create a method increment by 10, and inside this method we just create the object of this class that is object return demo temp new object return demo, and then we pass the value to the parameter that is a plus 10, and we return the object reference here that is return temp. And in the driver class that is return objects, we make a main method, and inside the main method first of all we create the ob1 that is object 1 simple object, and we assign the value that is 2 here, and again we create an object that is ob2, but in ob2 we assign the value of method that is ob1 dot increment by 10, and then print the ob1 dot a and ob2 dot a. So in both these method we returning the objects. So let's see it. So first of all we just save it and execute it. We are already in our class, so just save it, Zavak return objects.java, and hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it, Java return objects. So here it will give me the value that is ob1.a is equals to 2 and ob2.a is equals to 12. As ob1.a, it will give me the value 2 because in ob1.a we simply return the value that is 2, and when it assigned to a it will give me the value 2. But in case of ob2 we use the increment by 10 value also. So first of all ob1 dot increment by 10 method call, and in this method we assign the value a plus 2 a plus 10 that is 2 plus 10 that is equals to 12. So the value of ob2 becomes 12. So in this way we are implementing the return objects in Java. Thank you.